Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use 2 eggs per person, 1 tablespoon water, and 1/4 tsp salt for each omelet to create a tender, slightly fluffy base. Bring eggs to room temperature for 10 minutes before whisking to improve texture and ensure even cooking throughout. Whisk vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds until ribbons form and the mixture is homogeneous. Add 1 tsp butter or oil to the pan before pouring. Grate 20 grams of cheese and chop 30 grams of vegetables for even cooking. Heat a 20 cm nonstick pan on medium-low and add 1 tablespoon butter until it foams and becomes glossy. Avoid browning the butter. Pour the whisked eggs and tilt the pan to spread them evenly. Stir gently for 30 seconds with a spatula to create small curds, then stop stirring and let the eggs set for about 60 seconds. Scatter fillings in a line across the center. Fold the omelet in half with a spatula when curds are soft but not fully set to keep it creamy inside. Let the omelet rest for 30 seconds off heat to finish cooking gently and lock moisture without overcooking the center. Slide it onto a warm plate and top with 1 tablespoon chopped herbs such as chives or parsley and a pinch of black pepper for brightness. If you like acidity, add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of reduced balsamic. Keep toppings light to avoid sogginess. Serve immediately on a warm plate to maintain heat and texture, and enjoy with toast or salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.